Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. So today there was a little gap down, and so Bank Nifty made a high and then a correction, and around 11 o'clock it made the high of the day. From there it has given correction and then a seesaw movement, a movement in both the directions, keeping the overall trend downward. So when it comes to high and low of the day, the high made is 42,506 and the low made is 42,234. So barely a gap of 272 points. So considering where we are standing, that is around 42,000 plus levels. 272 points is a very narrow range for Bank Nifty. So it would have been very difficult for traders who are only buyers, but it would have been a good day for professional option sellers who would have gained the DK, the premium DK. So for retailers, most of whom they are simple option buyers, they would have ended up mostly green because of the narrow range. So how is it looking on a larger time frame? That is 1 day time frame. Let us go to daily time frame chart. Yeah, here it is. So far after the crossover, Bank Nifty stayed well below the 20 period moving average, that is 42,554, and 50 period moving average is 42,827. So far this has not been broken and closed above, but Nifty has already crossed 20 period moving. Let us not forget that. See, one would have expected this 20 period moving average to come down. The moment it has crossed downwards and came here, one would have expected that it will go downwards, but it has not happened. And Bank Nifty is on a closing basis, keeping up with the 20-day moving average and closing near to it as the time passes by. So we may expect Bank Nifty to breach 20 period moving average, that is 42,554, and move towards 42,827 in the coming week. So will it happen tomorrow? Yes, most possible, because today is a range bound limited narrow range day. So you may expect a wild movement tomorrow. So in that case, what are the possible levels both on upside as well as the downside? The same range holds good. Whatever we had discussed yesterday, this 41,877 to 41,827 will act as a strong support zone. Okay, so when it comes to 42,000, higher end 700 to 42,850 will act as a resistance. So you may put any numbers in between 1, 2, 3 from bottom 1, 2, 3. So it is most likely they are taken care of between the range. Let us have a look at Nifty as well. This is 1 hour time frame. Let us zoom it. So our this thing starts from today. Today's action is gap down, then made it up, and then a sideways action. This is 1 hour time frame chart. So daily chart, it closed well above 20 period moving average, that is 18,032, and 50 period moving average is somewhere around 18,289. So we can look for a move towards 18,289 before the budget. On the downside, this 20 period moving average will act as a good support, breach of which you may see levels till 17,800. This is for the entire week 1800 level. The immediate level that is possible is 18,032, then 18,000. So you may put any levels in between, so they will be taken care of based on the moment of Nifty. So here in this video, I have given only the range, not the exact values in between. So for exact values, you can refer to our previous videos where levels are indicated. So in order to avoid repetition, I have not mentioned the levels. In between levels, only the top end and the bottom levels I have mentioned here. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.